Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about soft layers haircut ideas. If you want a hairstyle that looks natural, light and stylish, then soft layers are a perfect choice for you. Soft layers are loved by many women because they give a gentle and fresh look. This haircut is not too sharp and not too heavy. It blends smoothly with your hair and makes it look soft and flowy. First, let's understand what soft layers really are. Soft layers mean cutting the hair in a way that creates movement. The layers are smooth and blended, not choppy. This style helps hair fall nicely around the face and shoulders. One big benefit of soft layers is volume. If your hair looks flat or thin, soft layers can make it look fuller. The layers lift the hair and give a natural bounce. Even fine hair looks healthier with this haircut. Soft layers are great for all hair lengths. If you have long hair, soft layers add shape and elegance. They stop the hair from looking heavy at the bottom. Long soft layers also make hair easier to style. For medium length hair, soft layers are very popular. They give a fresh and modern look. This length is perfect for daily life and special occasions. You can wear it straight, wavy or slightly curled. If you have short hair, soft layers can still work beautifully. They add texture and softness to short styles. Your hair will look stylish but not too stiff. It's a great option for a neat and classy look. Soft layers are also amazing for face framing. The front layers gently shape the face. They highlight your features like eyes and cheekbones. This makes your face look softer and more balanced. This haircut suits almost every face shape. For round faces, soft layers help create a longer look. Another reason people love soft layers is very easy maintain. You don't need too much styling every day. Just a simple blow dry or air dry looks nice. This makes it perfect for busy routine. Soft layers also look beautiful and with natural waves. If your hair is slightly wavy, layers enhance the texture. They make waves look defined and smooth. You get a relaxed and stylish appearance. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.